Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from our happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away always as a very satisfied customer. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We're only one call away from serving you.